A portable LED endoscope camera is a versatile and compact device that allows users to visually inspect and capture images or videos in hard-to-reach or confined spaces. It is equipped with a flexible tube or probe that houses a camera and LED lights, enabling real-time visualization and documentation of areas that are otherwise difficult to access. The main components of a portable LED endoscope camera typically include the probe, the camera module, and the LED lights. The probe is a flexible tube that can be bent or maneuvered to navigate through narrow or curved spaces. The camera module captures high-resolution images or videos of the target area, while the LED lights illuminate the surroundings, ensuring clear visibility. One of the key advantages of a portable LED endoscope camera is its portability. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and use in various applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional in industries like plumbing, automotive, or electronics, or simply want to explore and inspect hard-to-reach areas in your home, a portable LED endoscope camera offers convenience and versatility. The LED lights built into the endoscope camera provide bright and adjustable illumination, enabling clear visibility even in dark or poorly lit areas. This feature is particularly useful when inspecting pipes, engines, or other tight spaces where natural light is limited. The adjustable brightness settings allow users to optimize the lighting conditions for the specific task at hand. Many portable LED endoscope cameras feature a waterproof design, allowing them to be used in damp or submerged environments. This makes them suitable for inspecting drains, pipes, or other areas that may be exposed to water or liquids. The waterproof feature adds durability and versatility to the device, expanding its range of applications. To view the captured images or videos, most portable LED endoscope cameras are equipped with a built-in display screen. This eliminates the need for additional equipment or connections, providing immediate visual feedback. Some models may even offer wireless connectivity or compatibility with smartphones or tablets, allowing users to view and record the footage directly on their mobile devices. The applications of a portable LED endoscope camera are vast. It can be used for tasks such as inspecting plumbing systems, identifying clogs or leaks, examining electrical wiring or components, checking the inside of engines or machinery, investigating HVAC systems, and more. The ability to visualize and document areas that are difficult to access greatly facilitates troubleshooting, maintenance, or repair work. In summary, a portable LED endoscope camera is a practical and versatile device for visual inspection in hard-to-reach or confined spaces. Its compact size, flexible probe, adjustable LED lights, and portable display screen make it a valuable tool for various applications. Whether you're a professional in a specific industry or a homeowner looking to tackle DIY projects, a portable LED endoscope camera can provide enhanced visibility and documentation, allowing you to explore and analyze inaccessible areas with ease. That is it for today. See you tomorrow.